Some buildings contain mezzanines or second floors. The following section will instruct you on how to install your mezzanine after all other building components are installed. However, mezzanines can oftentimes be installed during the framing process, and in many cases, it can be easier to install the mezzanine during the initial course of construction. Start by installing your mezzanine floor brackets on your sidewall columns. Both columns and brackets should be pre-punched for easy installation. Once bracket is positioned, install and then tighten the bolts finger tight.